Hello YouTube, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Leo, and the reason I am talking kind of low right now is because I'm in the public library. I just decided to get out of my normal environment that I'm in, that I shoot my videos. And on this channel I do cover motivation, how to make money online, taking action here as I make these videos with you, and what else, tips and tools, tricks and stuff that I have picked up just to make things a little cheaper if you have more time than money, or if you got more money than time. So in this video I want to go over ads. One place for free ads and a place for paid ads. And in my new book here, you could get it in the description below, has 12 bonuses on where you can place your ads at for free. Some are investment ads, but however, when you're doing this online business, you have to sometimes make a little investment and get your stuff out there. So everything in this video right now is going to be on a example. So my copy, everything's going to be an example. You make your own and you make the best of it, and let the computer work for you. Let these websites work for you. So here we go. This is Hoobly.com. Hoobly Classifieds. So you go to post an ad. Now, as for this example, let's say that book I just showed you, my new ebook, I want to put it right here. Books. Collectible, you do audio, fiction. I want to just do magazines and catalog. So I won't want to drop a video, something related to online business entrepreneurs, because what do? What do? We take big leaps. So I want to use this picture right here. This guy's taking a leap off somewhere, and then we're going to do a headline, the shocking truth. Then I already have my copy that I have in my Microsoft Word. I want to put that down here, just copy and paste it. And like I said, this is just an example, and you make your own. Let them know, like when you're posting a link like this, let them know in the bottom over here, just to copy and paste link, so they know. After you're done with that, you go down here, listings, you hit it. For just this example, I'm not going to hit that right now. I just want to show you all where you can place a free ad. Get the book. There's a lot of free places to place ads. And excuse me. Now I'm going to show you the for paid advertising. So we're going to go to nationwide newspaper advertising. Some of you probably heard of this, some of you have not. Advertise in some of the hottest daily newspapers in the USA. Believe it or not, people still grab the newspapers. And maybe you don't, others do. If not, they bring it up on their laptop or their iPad, whatever device. So you look right here, you can market in Alabama, California, Delaware. Now you can market everywhere in these newspapers. Some of them you might have to make an investment. So let's find the cheapest one I can find real quick. So just bear with me a little bit, because this is actually pretty cool. I advertised on here before, gathered leads, and still to this day I market to them. You could, in a magazine, Inquirer, that's a huge magazine right there. Soap Opera Digest, how many people buy that? That's a lot. That's a big magazine. Money magazine. So of course the prices range. These ones are kind of pricey. Let's go right here. Thrifty Nickel. Yeah, you could be an affiliate for them too, for this website. So USA Today, How many people I advertise there? Cheap online. Let's go right here. Let me show you this. Post an online classified ad on your website. Advertise by the week, month, or year. Take advantage of the groups, buys, easy and affordable. Order today. So look, I mean, you're looking for some cheap advertising. You could go. Some of them are for like $100. $100 for a year is not bad. That's not bad at all. Some of them, $16. Link of your website, $15 per month. Okay, click here to place ad. So you're gonna go there. Make sure you have your ad copy already, all your information for your credit card. I'm not going to fill nothing out just because I'm just showing this for an example. Give you an idea of the potential that's out there. So that's not bad for a free one. Or not free, $16 a month. That's not bad. California Penny Savers online. Now these prices are not bad at all. Remember, price versus value. So top seller, penny saver, that thing's been around forever. That's what I just hit. See what's here. Place a featured ad in 368 cities worldwide in the nationwideads.com. That's not bad. That's not bad. That could sure get you some leads. Now, you can also ask them a question. Go up here to ask them what your question's about. You know, if you want to know if it's going to be narrowed down to, let's say, you're doing weight loss products or entrepreneurship, whatever. If they're going to have a certain section for that. So, yeah, I just wanted to run you through this website. I mean, there's so many other. There's one in here, employment guides. Look, college newspapers. How many people do not actually want to go to college? This is just not talking about universities. You probably most likely have the community colleges in there as well. Market to them. I mean, what they get. College market consists of about 15 million people per spend over 120 billion annually. And they go online. So they could go online. What if you're promoting a product to them that, so they don't have to do college. They could just do what they do and learn the online business and get up and going. Some students don't know about it. I've met quite a few. University of California, Georgetown. Look how much potential is in here. So sometimes you have to understand when something's free, you kind of get what you pay for. Free ads compared to ads that you made investment in. I mean, of course, the ads that you made an investment in are most likely going to get put out there more. So, I mean, right here you could advertise in Boise University, Boston University. I mean, you could just pick one. Mississippi. I mean, you could pick on Mississippi and place your ad. Just click there. And just get to work. So what you're doing here, you're basically making the newspaper work for you, so you don't have to work so hard. It does take a minor investment, but hey, if you could get that many people looking at your products, I mean, you could grow your list with that. Grow your list with that, and if they buy, they buy. If they don't, hey, reach out to them later, see if they're interested in something else. Banner advertising, see what that is. Banner advertising in the nation's largest online newspaper. Pay per impression advertising. They have a little video here that shows you So there's so many places to advertise is what I'm making this video for. I mean, I know a lot of us build or are learning to build sales funnels, and we don't know what to do with them. We do solo ads to build our list, but sometimes people buy, sometimes they don't. We have them on our list and they become cold leads sometimes because they don't open up your email. Anything could happen. So I wanted to make this video for you in case you need some ideas on where you could place your ads at. And Thrifty Nickel, we all seen Thrifty Nickel. You can advertise here. And yeah, just wanted to make this video for you. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget your ebook below, and stick around because I'm going to be coming out with some more videos, some more tips and tricks that I've learned to that I wish somebody would have taught me, but I had to kind of learn it the hard way. So if you're new, you're just starting out, stick around this channel because I'm going to be showing you a couple of tricks. I also have a few other videos that you could just click on, and I got something there that could save you hundreds, so sometimes thousands. So thank you very much for stopping by. I'll see you later. Bye.